time for Back to the Basics Part 2, where I teach you guys how to twist your hair. So let's get started. Hello everyone, and once again welcome back to my channel, Simply Sharnae, where it's simply me being me. And today, like I told you guys last week, I'll be giving you guys a little twisting tutorial. And if you missed last week's video, I'll link it in the description below, and that's how you find your hair porosity. And it's gonna help you find, the best tools and products to use on your hair. So without further ado, I'm gonna, start this tutorial. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. So I recorded a video of me twisting my hair, and I'm gonna give you guys the rundown on how I do it. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm starting with a old braid out, and I'm just gonna take this section down just to get started. And I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle just to get my hair damp before I start manipulating it, because you never want to work with dry hair. And then next I'm gonna get my wide tooth comb just to detangle it, because like I said, you don't want to be too rough. You want to be gentle with your hair because it is a part of you, of course. So after I get that all done, I'm gonna go in with my Shea Moisture Curl Pudding, anything just like to moisturize your hair. Then I have some avocado oil or tea tree oil, whatever oil you want to use on your hair. You don't have to do this, but you can just added moisture and nutrients for your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this little section right here and get the rest of my hair pinned away, just so I can work with this one section to show you guys how to do it. So yeah, I don't know why I did that. I just was tangling my hair. And then that's just what the product looked like. I forgot to show you guys how much I put, but it's a little bit. And then you're just going to want to work that through this section. Later on in the video, I'll show you just how much I use on each twist. But yeah, just keep watching. And then I grabbed some avocado oil, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my fingers. And yeah, you can see it right there. And I'm going to work that through the section as well before I start twisting, just to get my hair nice and moisturized, and it's going to make my twist look really good. So then you're going to split the section in two, and then you're going to do this twisting motion with your fingers as you're overlapping each of the sections over each other. I know that sounds really complicated, but if you're watching my hands, I feel like the words make sense. They should. If they don't, I have a section in this video where I'm just going to let my hands do the work, and I'm not going to say anything, just for, my visual learners out there. I don't want to, let the audio disrupt you. But then also, as you see I just did, I made sure I detangled my ends when I got to the end of the twist, just to make sure the end is nice and detangled. This definitely helps when you're doing twist outs. But yeah, this is what the ending twist looks like as you see me getting to the end, and it looks nice and soft because that's what I did with all the products and stuff. So now I'm just grabbing another section of hair just so I can give you guys another view or another chance to see, because I believe everything you do, you should learn it 3 times, and that's me just showing you how much product to use. And I'm just going to work it through this section. This is a bigger section. You could put product in your hair all at once. I like to do section by section just so the product doesn't dry out and just keeps my hair moist as I'm working through it. Yeah. So then next I'm just going to split my hair in two like I said before, and you just overlap the sections, twisting your hands. Yeah, you just twist your hands over each other and just continue doing that as you overlap the 2 pieces of hair. I feel like that sounds way more complicated than it is, but I know you guys see that one strand of hair that got caught as I was twisting it. I don't think I noticed it as I was doing it, but I see it now. Another thing I forgot to say before is when you get to the end of your twist, I also like to put extra product at the end. I think that's probably what I'm going to do right now. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I don't know, it just helps the twisting process and just make sure that your whole twist is getting the moisture in the product. And yeah, we're going to see my next completed twist, and as you can see, it kind of looks just like the last one. Now I'm going to go to this last twist, and like I said, I'm going to give you guys a chance just to watch me do it, because I feel like it's important. You want to be able to just digest the knowledge without, me talking. So yeah, I will give you guys that time now. Alright guys, now that you see me do 3 twists, I feel like that looks like it's easy enough. So if you are not trying with this video, go ahead and try to twist your hair if you don't know how to do it yet. Or hopefully you learned some new techniques from me and you get to see how bouncy they are and how moisturized they look following these techniques. So yeah, just use these, and I'm just gonna, I think, lift my hair out the way just so you can see how it looks better. I don't know what I was thinking. But of course, guys, keep up the good work and keep trying new things. And then I also wanted to show you guys that, twists are good for twist outs and it can curl your hair. This is a very quick representation because they've only been for like a couple minutes. But I took them out, and as you can see, my hair is already curly. But if you leave it in for a couple of days, a day, overnight, a week, the curls will last you longer depending on how long you set them in for. But yeah, this is a quick little example, but you can see that it's a good way to curl your hair with no heat. So thank you for listening to my little tutorial. Alright guys, I feel like I gave you guys some pretty good tips. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified the next time that I post a video. And the next video I'll be posting is about how to do braids or plaits, whatever you grew up calling them, because like I said, we're going back to the basics, giving you guys the foundations to do some amazing natural hairstyles and just hairstyles in general, because anybody with these, whatever hair type, you can use these. And like I always say, don't forget to be the best you, because there's only one person like you, and that is you. So simply be genuine, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.